questions. As the day went on yesterday, I actually got worse and worse. So I'm staying home sick again. I'm here late tonight trying to get this all done for you. So I'm going to post the slides that I would have done in class with you, and I will put the answers on there. I put another worksheet for you guys to work on that has division on it, so you can practice some division. And then I will repost my old videos that I have on that as well. And I'll try to find some videos on some meeting stuff. If you have any questions, I will be here Monday. I don't foresee me not coming in on Monday. If you were planning on taking a test to make up for the factoring test that you missed, the sub has all of them. You can go talk to Miss Baker and she can get you set up. But the sub has all of your tests with your names on them. So just come when you said you were going to come. All right, so now I'm going to go over what I was going to cover today. So go ahead and let me see if I can get this to work. All right, go ahead and put this in your notes, and then I will write the answers on there. Okay, so here are the answers. Don't forget that there is practice online, and there's also practice on the table next to my desk. Okay, I'm going to go to the division one now. Okay, so here's a couple of meeting level ones. I'm just gonna click through how to do them. I'm not gonna talk because I'm quickly losing my voice. So remember, that's what it looks like. Combine your like terms, and then this one would be minus. And then you combine your like terms. So don't forget that's how you would do that. And then using the same ones, I would find the same functions as before. I would do 3x plus 4 times x squared minus 3. Combine my like terms. So here, I think I can write it. So that's the box filled out, and there aren't any like terms to combine. The domain of this. Here's an example of something that a lot of people missed on the test. So on the test, you didn't have to do this much work. This is a harder one, but I want to go over it. Again, I'm not going to talk unless I absolutely have to. So remember, this means that we need to put it in a box. And then you combine your like terms. Here is a long division practice. Let's go ahead and try this. Okay, oops. This should have been your answer. If you didn't know how to do that, I have some slides that will go through them. So again, you want to set up your coefficients. So this x to the fourth is 4. We need an x to the third and x to the second. So that's where these zeros come in. So then we're also going to write them down, and I have all the words there. So you just keep multiplying below the line. 4 times 4, that answer goes up here. You add those together to figure out what you're going to multiply by. You multiply by the things under the line, you add the things above it. Okay, if you have any questions, I will be here Monday. And kids, those of you that are taking the test on Monday, go ahead and be ready to take the test. Email me questions, I'll try to answer it. Any students that are going to take a test to make up that you made arrangements with me, you can still do that. Again, the sub has them. Work on your online homework, work on the worksheets that are up here. Have a good day. I will see you. Hope you have a good weekend. If I won't see you Monday, or If you are not going to be here Monday or Tuesday next week, you need to go to Miss Baker and you need to take the test for Miss Baker. You have to do that. Trust me when I say, if I can get this out, you will do better before break than you would do after break. So take the test today, Friday. I know it's still Thursday for me. Take the test. Go see Miss Baker. Go see Miss Wadley. They have the test. Do not wait until after break. No student does better. I promise you. I've been doing this for a long time. Take my advice. Otherwise, I will see all of you Monday. I hope you have a good weekend and stay healthy.